super collider, I'll demonstrate how different frequencies will seem louder to different people and how we perceive them. However, the amplitude will stay completely the same. So as you can see, I'm using a 20 hertz to start off with to 20,000 hertz or 20 kilohertz. That's because it's known that this is mainly a average of what we can hear. However, some different theories say that is 16 hertz or 16 kilohertz, etc. However, I'm going to use 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. We're starting off very low, very quiet frequency for myself. However, different people hear different frequencies differently. Very distinctive loudness as it gets higher the frequencies. And once again, it's quieter. This system can be used to test how people's hearing is, or how high they can hear on the spectrum. Many may not be able to hear past the 16 mark, because of the damaged hearing due to loud noises for a long period of time, or maybe quieter as well.